Ismail Knaja. I'm from Togo. I'm 20 years old. I have made a part of my education in Ghana. During my football career at West African Academy WAFA, I was there from 2016 to 2020, and I came back to Togo to end my secondary education. I'm coming to you to present to you my future desire. Apart from football, I would like to join your university as soccer athlete, to raise your university high and continue my studies in sport management.